If your DoorDash account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account details, any communication from DoorDash about the restriction, and any evidence that supports your case. Step 2. Access the Help Center. Visit the DoorDash Help Center on their website or app. Look for the section related to account issues or restrictions to find specific guidance on how to appeal. Step 3. Submit a request. Locate the option to submit a request or appeal. Fill out the required form with accurate information, including your account details and a clear explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Provide supporting evidence. Attach any supporting documents or screenshots that can help your case. This could include emails, messages, or any other relevant information that demonstrates your compliance with DoorDash policies. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from DoorDash. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on DoorDash. Good luck!